Today, I try my best to give the most important of the mind code. Because in Japan, mind code is very important. Mind code is paradigm. Agus Tjandra Academy is the first academy to teach mind code. Mind code is like a robot. Robot can be a superpower because of what? The program. How you put the program, basic program to the robot. Why Japanese? Very smart. Because the mind code from the elementary school, they give the best mind code. Jangan pikir ABC Studio sudah berjalan hebat, then you keep silent, sleeping. Someday, ada competitor come, more younger, more attractive, more smarter. Then, cut your way. So, you have to change your mind, not follow the old style. Always think out of the box. A lot of people say, I want to buy time management. No, bullshit. It's not by the time management. How you control your activity? Time cannot manage. You have to manage what? You have to manage your activity. Nah, dengan kalian punya perception yang benar, it makes your target can achieve. There is no any impossible. Everything is possible. Inilah mind code.